Hey guys, I want to show you something. Let's take a couple minutes because a lot of times you guys want to just hear and watch the water. This here is a fantastic smaller waterfall that we have here at Everything Waterfalls. This one here is the small waterfall 021. I call it the small backyard garden waterfalls, and the reason I always give it, just like other videos, it gives you sort of the kind of the idea of where to use these at. This here being on my patio is teamed up with another waterfall, so I have a patio of waterfalls. Real cool stuff. And like I've said before, these are all from existing rock formations. So yeah, you do get the weathering and the erosion sculpting of real waterfalls out in nature. These are all been taken from there, put into molds and reproduced. Use different elements, the sand and the rock and the natural oxides from outside, put on as a top coating, so it's as real as it gets, but without all the weight. So these are very user-friendly, customer-friendly, and of all things, homeowner, where we can have these fabulous waterfalls without all the work and that of trying to keep them clean and stuff. Basically, a hose with one of the high pressure type things going through it will do enough of the cleaning, unless you want to use a power washer. But if you keep these things clean, and you'll never have to do a whole lot to them. So yeah, they're very cool, one of a kind type of focal point centerpiece for your yard.